put the video on for the week 5 discussion board. So she did post that.
Let me see. Because let me see. I get 0 in both, and I was like, hey, that's not fair.
I wonder if the names of those that participated were posted on there as well. Maybe that's why.
Yeah.
Let me look it up. So let's see for the 4. Because I look by the names. This one say Ethan and Hannah and Haiti and Javier. That's my husband. And then Jessica, and then Jessie Keller, and then Nicole, Savannah, Sylvia, and Taki. I don't have anything from Kelsey. And maybe we are spread in like different groups to do the post. And maybe that's why you see her and I don't.
Well, I didn't see her on the lesson 4. I saw her on the lesson 5.
Okay, and what it says in the lesson 4 in the post, she write our names on it.
Well, I didn't see anything about any of our meetings on lesson 4. Just on lesson 5. But I didn't get any points for that one either.
So we maybe can just text a huge mail. Nah, I'm just kidding. But something like, hey, so we get a confusion. Somebody thought of the other, and then the other, and then the other, and nobody made it. He will say, you still are irresponsible. But we can say, mercy, professor, come on. Haiti, Jessie, Kelsey. I see it here. And that was it. Oh, she didn't put it on the post, but then somebody put a thank you for posting. What are the names of those who attend this group meeting? And then she write it on. She say, right, thank you, Kelsey, Anselmo, and then Isaac. Is that the way that you say your name? Isaac?
Yeah, Isaac.
Isaac. And then Estrella and Caitlin. So we are there, but apparently I don't know, we just have to say something.
Well, and on the syllabus, it says that technically the group leader, which I'm guessing is going to be Kelsey since she's been streaming on mostly. So like basically one person is responsible for recording the meeting and then posting the link to the group collaboration discussion board.
And I think it has some sense since I didn't, the YouTube didn't allow me to take the envelope, that thing.
Well, Kelsey submitted it to the lesson 5 discussion board, so we should have gotten points, I think.
Yeah. We just have to let our tutor know.
Yeah.
And say, hey, come on. Don't be so rude. Let's see if we can just do it right now. I'm wondering if we can like make a note on the qualifications and this.
Now, it seems like Kelsey started the the recording. Did she want us to start, or were we supposed to wait for her?
She said she was going to take care of some things. So
I don't know if you guys want to like start, and then once she comes in, we can kind of.
Yeah, we can do that.
Done. Yeah.
Okay, questions about the lesson then. I think everything was pretty easy.
It was.
Yeah. I'm worried, you know, because when I think that something's easy, then I'm so screwed at the end. It's so funny. The answer of the questions 2, 3, and 4, it was the bell shape, and I was like, see, this is too easy. And then I compare it to the tutorial, and then he say bell and bell and bell, and I was like, oh, I get it right.
Hi guys.
Hello, Kelsey.
Hey.
Okay,
Did you cut your hair?
I did. I usually get it cut monthly, so this is the front, and then one sec.
Whoa! Look at that.
I don't know if you guys can see that okay, but that's the back.
And what is that shape?
It is a shoe with wings. It's the symbol of the Greek god Hermes.
Oh,
Whoa.
Yeah.
So you say it aloud.
Pretty much, yeah. Figure why not? It'll go back like in 2 weeks. So. All right. So where were we at? What did I miss?
We were just talking.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Because I know on the prep I had two questions.
Oh,
that I wasn't
yeah.
sure about.
Something before we start is we didn't get any points for any of the group collaborations.
Really?
And yeah. So
it was because we didn't write names, huh?
I don't know. We just have to make, the clarification to the tutor, and he should be able to give us our point back, or give it us also.
Okay, so how do we make those clarifications?
We just have to text him or
message
send
him.
an email.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can email him after the meeting.
Okay, definitely. And the link should be on this YouTube channel that I use. So you can always just pull those up and show and be like...
Yeah, and show, like, hey, come on. We spent an hour meeting. How you are not going to give us those points?
Seriously, it's like, it's here. The link's here, I promise you. Like, we did meet, even on Friday nights. And I want points if I'm meeting on a Friday night when I could be out drinking. I mean partying.
You can drink water or juice.
There you go.
But,
okay,
so that's good to know. So Caitlin will be on that. And don't forget, I guess Tuesday and Thursday, I can still meet up for those. Because I did mention to you guys that next Friday I would probably be going out of town. But since we're meeting on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I can still set those up. It's the 29th and the 31st of May that I'm uncertain about. Because I'll be out of town with my family. I'll still pop in when I can, but I don't know how good their internet will be and how well it will support me doing my homework. Because none of my online teachers were like, yeah, you can get ahead in your homework. And they were just like, gotta do it. I was like, okay, Mom's 10-year anniversary, I'll be doing homework after everything. Okay, fine. So yeah, it's the 29th and 31st. And Caitlin, you said you take care of those?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know those are the 2 days that I'll definitely be gone. And then if you guys want any additional meetings, just text and let us know.
You said 20th, 30th, 31st?
Yeah, the 29th and the 31st.
Oh, 29th and the 31st.
Yeah. Because I'll be gone for about a week. I'll be leaving, I think, the 25th or the 26th of May, and I'll be coming back the 1st or the 2nd.
Sounds good.
And so did everyone do the prep for lesson 6? Not 7, not 32, lesson 6.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, I know it feels like we were on 32 with our weird schedule there for a while. Okay. And so for one of the questions, it was like 7B. We were supposed to compare our means with at least 3 other individuals. And I figured, for me personally, I just figured we were all going to meet tonight anyway. Might as well compare, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and this isn't probability, so we didn't have to do that like mean equals 1 times the number, or did we still need to do that? Because I just did the simple normal mean. You add it all, divide it by the number, instead of the
Yeah,
probability
you should get that one.
Yeah, that's what I
You
did.
should get that one by doing that.
the regular mean way. Just add everything and divide it. Okay. So I just want to make sure that that one at least was correct. And so I don't really know what to discuss there. It's just like discuss what you got, and it was like my mean was like 46,200.
Mine was
that's
180.
It says that it will give you like different means because we are using the random page, and it will give you like everyone will give different numbers, but everything between the graph, it will be just fine. He said that there is no wrong answer for that one. So
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it just looks normal. Cool.
Yeah.
And then for 8D, it said, what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means scores for all such samples? And when I looked up there, and I originally did N with 10, the mean was 529, deviation was 113. And I was like, oh, it's 113, but then I looked at the answer, no, that's not it. So I tried determining like the z-score to get it, and that didn't work either. So I was wondering if you guys had any answers as to how to get what he got in his answer key.
What was the original answer?
The original answer, let me open up the prep key because I've got it.
Yeah, I only had the assignment open.
Yeah, I typically have them both open so I can double check. Okay, so standard deviation is 35.734.
Did you say 0.734?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so I'm like, I just not sure how to calculate that because I tried it with the standard deviation like formula, and I didn't get that.
Let me see if.
And did you see the tutorial and see how he got the answer?
I did not watch that. Because I was about to sleep in the class when I finished it. Oh, he's a good teacher. You know, I did it this morning, in between classes, just because I was like, I want to get it out of the way so I don't have to worry about it. Because I thought I'd have more reading tonight because my internet was crap yesterday. So I'm lucky, I'm glad we didn't do it because I would have kept crashing and you wouldn't have seen me.
Poor woman.
I rage quit and I went to bed and I was like, I don't care if I have to read 22 pages. But then, thank goodness, I realized I only had 12 pages left to read of the chapter. So I was like, that's about normal anyways. So we're good. Bless you and all of your posterity.
Thank you. Hopefully I don't get any sickness on the...
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
Okay.
When I watched the video, because I watched the tutorial one, it said that the formula for standard deviation of sample mean is standard deviation. Oh, that's a square root. Never mind, I did it wrong. So the formula would be standard deviation over the square root of the sample size.
So in order to get the standard deviation, it would be the standard deviation over the square root size.
Well, for this,
Okay.
it's the standard deviation of the distribution of sample mean.
Can you set up a screen share?
I'm on
Yeah.
the phone.
Oh
If
yeah, I
you
just
share the
realized that.
video.
Let's see if I can pull up the video. I want to visualize it.
It's on the individual preparation at
Yep,
the
individual
very
prep.
bottom.
Okay, you guys already know what's coming with screen share. Screenception. For like 10 seconds. And it's gone. Okay. And lesson 6 video tutorial.
Yeah, he used the formula, the one that I have the sigma at the top, and then the square something.
Okay, problem 8.
If you can go all the way to the 8-minute.
That was the formula I was talking about. The sigma on the top represents standard deviation.
But we're trying to figure that out. Does it mean like the standard deviation of the whole populace?
Yeah, of the sample mean.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So square root n, which is 10. I don't even know. Let's see. Square root 10. I hate this. That look correct? So I'll go 3.1623. No. I probably should just leave it 3.1622, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and then it was 113 was the standard deviation, right?
Yep.
5.74 or 73. Huh? Oh yeah, because you round up 5, 4. And sure enough.
Does that make more sense?
That does make sense. I just need to throw that into my notes because I don't have that. Does that make sense? Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about that. Okay. That makes sense. Are we all good there?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And stop.
There you go.
All right. So,
okay.
Are we ready for this?
For the quiz, also ready.
Okay. All right. And I shall go back to screen sharing. I don't even know why I turned it off. Hey guys, let's go back to screen sharing. That's a sexy face. There we go. Okay. All right. For once, I can answer 1 and 2. And
all right, Kelsey.
Happy guys. Let's go. Remind me. I'm just getting out my notes.
Don't worry, I'm making sure my virtual life is saved for my psychology class.
Ah, dang it, I can't. I forgot that. Because I'm not on the right account. I'm on YouTube. On the different account, not my actual one. Oh well. Okay. And let me know when we are all ready to start the quiz.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Yep.
All right, here we go. And it said, if needed, there's a link to the normal probability applet. I have that open. If you guys want to open it, you can.
Yeah. I mean, I'm already have all the answers.
For the quiz?
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too.
Well, I do my homework today. I try very hard, and this one is easy.
Dang. Okay, so obviously 1 and 2, you answer on your own time. Everybody put false except me. All right, so question 3. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? That just means it's right skewed, right? Because it's not large enough to be normal?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, that is very, very logic.
Okay. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? Now, this is normal.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, are you with us? I realize you're not talking, and I'm worried you might have died. But I can't check the screen to see if you're okay. What is your screenception? Okay, I just wanted to make sure. All right, so number 5. Geez, you're right. This is so easy. We're taking sample size of n equals 5. Shape of distribution means when it's normally distributed. Huh. I think that means it's skewed left. No, normal.
No, it's normal.
No, I was kidding.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like,
hey,
Kelsey, you got the first 2 right. Don't ruin this for yourself.
You were on the roll.
Come on, Kelsey. Oh, and this is when n equals 100. Shape of distribution, normal.
Yes.
Normal. Move on. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Oh my goodness. Why this quiz? I was freaking out about this test and everything. Let's see.
For that one, I have everything except data are drawn from a population that is right skewed
And sample size is small.
Yeah. So everything besides that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We all in agreement on that one?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? Parent population. Okay, so central limit theorem, I want to put this in my own words before I read these answers. That's the one that if the sample size gets larger, it becomes normal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the last one, and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's one that's pretty much what you said.
Okay, and then, let's see. Use the following information to answer the next 4 questions. I just realized I had a sticky on my screen. Sorry, I was taking care of it. My screen's touch screen. So if you ever see it like start flashing weirdly, that's why. It's because I'm like, oh, look, I saw something to clean. It's like, Kelsey, no. Everybody sees your screen. Okay, let x be a random variable with the population mean. U equals 10. Standard deviation is 6. Suppose a sample size 36 is drawn from this population. What is the mean of the distribution?
10.
You just use
10?
the same formula?
I'm pretty sure it's 10.
No,
From
for
what the
Yeah, it is 10.
10, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so 10. And then what is the standard deviation of the distribution of samples means?
That one
And
you
that
do.
one is.
Yeah, this one is you need the formula. So
that'd be
get this out of the way. 6 square root 2.449.
it would be the square root of 36.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Which is 6.
Oh, that's so hard. I'm so scared. So 10 divided by 6, right?
It would be 6 divided by 6.
Oh, 6 divided by 6.
So
Right, because it's standard deviation of the other one over this. Oh, man, that's so scary.
And then 1, and that's it.
Yeah.
1. Nums lock on, please. Thank you. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large and greater than 30, what would be the shape distribution of the sample mean? Bimodal?
So,
What? What is that?
That was in the reading. You guys didn't read that? No, I'm kidding.
Just flips the computer. No, I'm done.
Well, there you go.
I
It'd
got
be normal.
for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
And then what theorem would justify your response to the last question? Central limit.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So we're all good on that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Let's do this.
Let's see if I actually... Guys, I got the first 2 right. Oh my goodness. I might get 100%. Guys, I got 100%. This is the first.
Yep. We are so smart this week.
Good job, everyone.
It's not like it was simple. We're just so smart.
Yeah, I know. We have to take all the credit.
all of it. All of it. Even the credit that other students get. It's ours. We take it all.
Yep. Oh my goodness. See, how long is your list of the classes that you are taking this semester?
Oh, did you just see like the brief little list?
Yeah.
Go back. Okay. So this is my religion course right here.
Oh my goodness.
And then this is
You're
humanities
crazy.
110. That's my intro to psych. That's my career psych class, math. And then that one course
Devotional.
that I told you guys was like 3,000 pages a night. Is that one?
Oh,
I'm
my
doing
goodness.
that one
Oh.
too. I hate reading that textbook.
I know. And the developmental child, Caitlin. I just kind of looked at it and I was like, oh, you're so cute as a baby. And then I got older and I was like, usually babies start out not good looking. and then they get cuter as they get older. You did it backwards. You're not cute. I want to keep you away from me. You make me feel insecure about myself.
Ay.
Alrighty. Well, talking about
Well.
babies, I do have to go because I have to put my daughter to bed.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all finished anyway. So yeah, Thursday 9:40.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. 40. Okay, perfect.
It's gonna be just at 9:40 because I've got rehearsals, and they'll do them earlier, but they won't do them any later, as far as I know. The rehearsals say to 9:30, but if that's the case, I'll message you guys and let you know because usually I'm home right about 9:40, so I can just pop on and get us on. I'll let you know
Okay.
though.
Okay.
Sounds good.
So, who is gonna post this one in the group collaboration thing?
That is up to you guys. I can do it when the video is uploaded, or you guys can do it, and I'll just send you guys the embedded link like I always have.
So I don't know why, but I cannot do the. Oh my goodness, I'm never gonna learn that word. Embedded.
The
Embedded.
embedding, yeah, embedded.
Yeah, that thing. I'm not allowed to do it. So I think that the
weird.
person that the person that start the call is the one that is able to do that, and that's why they say that that person have to post the meeting.
See, yeah,
And
I don't
think
mind
it's pretty
posting
fair.
it. So
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure like there wasn't anybody else who was like eager and jumping at the opportunity.
No. You are all free
You're
to
good.
go. Take all the
Caitlin.
credit. Embrace it.
But don't forget, Caitlin, those 2 days, 2 weeks from now, you will do. And those will be the ones that
Yeah.
you post. And make sure that you write all of our names, because I think that's the other thing, is because I was posting the video, but I wasn't writing names. Because I was like, if you open it, it's kind of obvious who it is.
You do the one for the lesson 4 too?
Lesson 4? I do believe I did. I can go back and check, though.
When I
Yeah,
was
because
looking
we
at
just
it,
have to post all this and try to, hey, we are getting all the meetings, we are doing all the work, so we have to take the credit. So
Yeah.
we're not
keep us
slackers.
going.
No,
Nope.
not at all. We were doing lessons like ahead there for a while. So, no, we are the opposite. So yeah, I'll just go repost all of them embedded, and I'll write names, and we'll see what happens there, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Of course. I'll
Have a
catch you
great
guys later.
night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.